So to start, I usually do a pretty light sketch of the reference photo, nothing too dark. All I'm really trying to do is get the proportions as close as possible to the reference photo. I do a little technique with a pencil and try to measure out some parts of the face and put it onto my paper as close as I can. Next, I do some quick detail work. I like to define the eyes at this point because they could really make or break the sketch. Also, I kinda don't like looking at those demon eyes for too long. Again, making sure everything is close in proportion, and I also just add some quick definition to the face and hair overall. Finally, I get the shading. This is my favorite part of a sketch because it really makes the drawing look more realistic and just brings it all together. I also start defining and darkening a lot of the lines around the face and hair, and adding other facial features like wrinkles or marks that the face might have.
Alright guys, that was it. Sorry it was pretty short, but that was my quick rundown of how to do a portrait sketch. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you